Here we go again. It's kind of hard to understand what the plan is here because we already had a snow emergency and now we're getting another blizzard, it looks like. They're calling for winds of 35 miles an hour, gusts up to 50. And yesterday, my car was clear, our driveway was clear, and it's not the case now. So Duke is spending the night downtown. He's already back at work. I don't think he's going to make it home tonight, but he doesn't have a reservation at this point for a hotel. So we'll see. It's been more than enough snow already.